Hi everyone, Scott with Dearly Departed Online here. And today I have a show and tell for you. And this one is a mystery for you, and it'll be the first time for me seeing it because it is a eBay purchase that I made recently. And I'm very excited about this because this particular purchase, how you can have eBay searches and every day you get an email alert about those particular searches. This item, I had it on my radar for a long time. I've had all sorts of searches and all sort of different phrasings, and this one didn't pop up. And my friend Allison found it and reached out to me, and the two of us, between the two of us, we pursued this and got it together. And you're going to see it for the first time now. So I have to be very careful, and excuse my my unmanicured hands, but I'm going to be very careful because I have to use an X-Acto knife, and Troy is, well, I can see from the scars all over my hands. I'm not really good with knives and razors and things like that, so I have to be very careful. So, all right, so you're going to see this for the first time, that I'm going to see this, and I'm very, very excited. Because this is Los Angeles history, and it's also having to do with my favorite subject, which most of you guys know what I'm going to talk about. But let's see. Oh, very exciting. Very exciting. Very well packed, too. Because here, oh, blue. Blue. Get rid of that. This, some of you, look at that. There's the Ankh. I think that's a giveaway for a lot of you. And some of you people don't even know what the hell I'm talking about. But this is a matchbook from J. Sebring's Salon. J. Sebring, the men's hairstylist, who put men's hairstyling on the map. This is really cool. I am so excited to see this. I've never seen a metallic blue one of these. And Jay was the second most famous of the victims of the Tate LaBianca murders. And look at that. Oh, God, the Ankh. See, he trademarked the Ankh, which is interesting. I didn't know you could do that, but it must be just the shape of the Ankh. But close cover before striking. Nothing on the back. I have seen, what does that say? American Match Company. I have seen Sebring matches before, but never blue. So I'm very excited about that. So let's see what the inside of it looks like. Ooh, look at that. Sebring, hair designing for men. Los Angeles. Hair designing experts for men. Los Angeles, California, 725 North Fairfax Avenue, area code 213-653-9960. Albuquerque, New Mexico, 71010, Manal, Northeast. Area code 505-299-7536. I looked it up just now on Google Earth, and it's still there. And if anyone is in Albuquerque, any male or maybe female, I don't know if they do women's hair, or however you are, but if you're around there and you don't go to this place, I will be so upset with you. So this is very, very cool. J. Sebring Salon. I will have these on display at some point when my museum reopens, and this is why I was lucky enough to score a couple of these, and that was also for my partner in purchase as well, Allison. So Sebring matches, my first eBay unboxing, just for you. Thank you very much. Scott Michaels with Dearly Departed Online. Thank you for joining me.
You heard me.